Hello, friend! Look what it is! Here we see a school, and right next to it, there's a school bus. Every morning, a school bus takes all the children from their homes right to school, and after school, it delivers all of them back home. Let's see what parts the school bus consists of, and then let's prepare it for a monster truck race, which will be held tomorrow. Let's start with the assembly of our school bus. We begin with the frame. The body with the yellow and black stripes is attached to the base. In any circumstances, it will be more visible and noticeable among all the other cars on the road. Our bus has to accommodate the whole class, so we need to install a lot of seats for all the students. Great! Now let's set up the rear doors. And now the side door. It's time to put on the wheels. 2 wheels on one side. And 2 wheels on the other side. We're done there. To make the movement of the school bus safe at any time of the day or night, we put on the lights. Front lights, and then the back lights. In order to let the driver see and manage all the kids, we assemble the mirrors on the bus. Maximum attraction to the attention of all the other cars on the road, we set lights up on the roof. Hooray! Our school bus is ready. But for the monster truck race, our school bus needs another few things to get it set up. We're gonna need another suspension and more wheels. Let's start. We should attach the spoiler to the rear part of our school bus. Small wheels are not suitable for the monster truck race, so we took them off. Then we install a new suspension. Now let's set 4 huge wheels. Check out how big they are. Just imagine if 4 of these wheels weigh as much as a whole car. Unbelievable! Let's put them on. Our school bus is ready for monster truck racing. And now it is time for a training race. I think the school bus is ready for the race, which you will see in the next episode, so be sure to tune in then. But I'm sorry, it's time to say goodbye, friend. Come back later. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.